Start.
Hello friends, my name is Ashraf and I have completed my Masters in Computer Applications and Master in Mathematics and B.Ed, and I am a Mathematics professor for the last 10 years. Today we are going to learn a topic called Modi method for TYBMS students and for MBA students. So let us find out what is Modi method and what are VAM method and what is Northwest Corner method and LCM method. So today first we will start with VAM method. In this, the question is given over here where you need to find the initial feasible solution by VAM method, you need to find the optimality by Modi method, and you need to find whether the solution is unique or not. So we will first start with the VAM method. Let us start. Now in this VAM method, you need to find out the smallest number. सबसे छोटा number you have to see, that is 2 in the first row, and the second smallest number is 5. So if you minus this both, 5 minus 2, you will get as 3. So that will be your penalty 3. Similarly, the next number is 4, smallest number 4, and this largest number bigger than 4 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Next, the smallest number over here is 2 and the largest number here is 6. So 6 minus 2 will become 4. Okay. Similarly, we will find out for the column penalties. Here we got the smallest number. सबसे छोटा is 2 और 2 से बड़ा कौन है 5. So 5 minus 2 will make it 3. Next, the smallest number is 7 and उससे बड़ा is 8. So 8 minus 7 will make it 1. Next is the smallest number 4 and the largest number is 5. 5 minus 4 will make it 1. And then सबसे छोटा here is 2 and you got 9. 9 minus 2 will make it 7. The rule for VAM method is you need to select the highest penalty. You need to select the highest penalty and lowest cost. That is the main thing you need to do. The highest penalty, select the highest penalty and the lowest cost. The penalties we have calculated over here. The penalties in the rows are 3, 1, 4, and in the column are 3, 1, 1, 7. So out of which, according to our rule, we need to select the highest penalty. The highest penalty over here is 7. So we will select the value 7, and after selecting 7, you need to see the lowest cost. We got 299, and सबसे छोटा number here is 2. After selecting this 2, you need to check whether its demand. Its demand is 13 and its supply is 14. So which is smaller, 13 or 14? The number smaller here is 13. So we will allocate 13 over here. 13 minus 13 will make it 0, and then 14 minus 13 will make it 1. So as the demand becomes 0, this column get eliminated. If the supply becomes 0, that row will get eliminated. If the demand becomes 0, so the column will get eliminated. Understood everyone? Now moving forward, we have to repeat the same step again and again till it gets over. Let us see. Now, again the first rule I told you कि आपको निकालना है penalties. तो penalties निकालने के लिए the rule is the lowest and the second lowest को आपको subtract करना है. So here the number is, the smallest number in this row is 5 and 5 से बड़ा is 7. So 7 minus 5 will make it 2. The smallest number over here is 4 and उससे बड़ा is 5. So 5 minus 4 will make it 1. Again, the smallest number over here is 2 and 2 से बड़ा is 6. 6 minus 2 will make it 4. Now, Again, as you know, यहाँ पर कोई changes नहीं हुआ है in this column 752. It will remain the same. The penalties, सब में छोटा is 2, उससे बड़ा 5. 5 minus 2 will be 3. Again, it will be 8 and 7. 8 minus 7 will become 1. And here we got 4 and 5. 5 minus 4 will become 1. And as this column is get eliminated, यहाँ पर आप dash put करेंगे, ठीक है? Now moving forward, the same rule again, the highest penalty and the lowest cost. Highest penalty and lowest cost. So again, which is the highest penalty over here? We got 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4. So we can say the highest penalty is 4. So here we will select row wise 4. In this, the smallest number we got 2, 7 and 6. The smallest number, as you know, is 2. अब इस 2 के पास supply है 16 और demand है 15. So which is the smallest number, 15 or 16? So you will allocate 15 over here, and this will be 15 minus 15 will become 0, and then 16 minus 15 will become 1. As you can see, this column has become 0, so this gets eliminated. Okay. Now again the same procedure as I told you before, that you need to calculate the highest penalty and the lowest cost. The formula for penalty is once again lowest minus the second lowest. So let us see. Now this time we will move little bit quickly. So in this we got only two numbers, 8 minus 5, that will become 3, 10 minus 4 will become 6, and then 7 minus 6 will become 1. Next over here, as this column is eliminated, तो यहाँ पर हम dash put करेंगे. Similarly, सब में छोटा is 7 and उससे बड़ा is 8. 8 minus 7 will become 1, and then 4, and then 5. 5 minus 4 will become 1, and this column is eliminated, so we will put a dash over here. So again the same rule, we have to select the highest penalty. So we got 1, 1. And here we got 3, 6, 1. 3, 6, 1. So which is the highest one? The highest one is 6. So we will select the penalty 6. Highest penalty, lowest cost. So सब में छोटा number over here is, we got only 10 and 4 remaining. So we will select 4 over here, the smallest number. 4 का, if you see the supply is 20, and if you see the demand is 12. So which is the smallest, 12 or 20? As you know, 12. So 12 you will allocate over here. 12 minus 12 will become 0. 20 minus 12 will become 8. So as you know कि जो 0 हो जाता है डिमांड और सप्लाई में, वो एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. So we will just eliminate this one like this. Okay. Now, no need of calculating penalty once again, because we have only 3 numbers over here, 8, 10 and 7. So you need to just check out the smallest number. So we got the smallest number 7 over here. From 8, 10 and 7, the smallest is 7. So 7 के पास you can see the supply is 1 and the demand is 10. The supply is 1, demand is 10. So which is the smallest number? 1. So we will give 1, allocates 1 to here, and then 1 minus 1 will be 0, and 10 minus 1 will become 9. As this become 9 and this becomes 0, so we will just eliminate this. Okay. Now moving forward, we got only 2 numbers remaining, 8 and 10. Now which is the smallest? कोई भी बता सकता है कि 8 और 10 में छोटा is 8. So अब 8 के पास जो है, we got the demand as 9 and the supply as 1. So 9 and 1. So the smallest number here is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0, and 9 minus 1 will become 8. As that becomes 0, so ये 8 वाला जो रो है वो हो जाएगा eliminated. अब बचा 10, और जो लास्ट में नंबर बचता है उसका डिमांड एंड सप्लाई should be same. Okay, so we can see over here the last number remaining is 10, and if you go towards the right side you can see the supply 8, and if you go beneath the 10 you can see the demand 8. So the supply is also 8 and the demand is also 8. So we will allocate 8 over here. So 8 minus 8 will become 0 and 8 minus 8 will again become 0 and this will get eliminated. Okay. Now the final thing is we need to find out the rim condition. The rim condition formula over here is m plus n minus 1, where m means the number of rows, m is the number of rows, these are the rows over here, and n is the number of columns. This is the number of columns. So that is very easy to identify. You can see F1, F2, F3. So there are how many rows? We got 3 rows. So in place of m you will write 3 plus. Now we got n. N means the number of columns. So you can see that 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 columns. So this will be 3 plus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 is itself in the formula. So 3 plus 4, that will make it 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. And that 6 should be equal to the number of allocations. Now we can see that it is equal to the number of allocations. Allocation means where we have given the value. So this is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total the rim condition is 6 and the number of allocation is also 6. Therefore the rim condition is satisfied. And finally, you need to calculate the cost of transportation. So cost of transportation will be, cost of transportation is equals to, wherever you have given the value, जहाँ पर आपने allocation किया है, उसी को आपको multiply करना है. So we got 8 over here and we got 1 over here. So this will be 8 into 1 plus. Next is 2 and 13. So that will be 2 into 13, 10 into 8 plus the next one is 4 and 12. So this will become 4 into 12 plus next one is 2 in and 15. So it will be 2 into 15 plus 7 and 1. That will be 7 into 1. Now you need to solve this. So this will become 8 ones are 8. 2 into 13 is 26. 10 into 8 is 80, 4 into 12 is 48, 15 into 2 is 30 and 7 ones are 7. And when you add this, all of this, you will get the answer. So, वो कर देंगे ना बाद में?
हाँ वो हो जाएगा.
You will get the answer 199. So, the cost of transportation is rupees 199. The cost. And you will highlight this and put it in the box. Do remember to give the R symbol, that is the rupee symbol, that is 199. So hope you understood this. This was just the BAM method, and in the next video we will continue with the Modi method. Hello students. Today we are going to study about the Modi method. Modi method is very important, especially for the TYBMS students. ये आपको 7.5 मार्क्स के लिए आ सकता है and maximum 15 मार्क्स के लिए आ सकता है. So let us concentrate today on Modi method and I will try to give my best. Let's hope कि आपको इससे बहुत अच्छा फायदा होगा. Now we got this question over here, all the allocated cells are given over here. Now you just need to find out two things over here. First is the cost. The formula for cost is U plus V. That is for the allocated cell, and for empty cell the formula is delta is equals to cost minus U plus V. Now what do you mean by allocated cell and empty cell? So we got this number 50 and we got another number 50, but it got an allocated value 5. So this is an empty cell and this is an allocated cell. आई होप आपको डिफरेंस समझा रहेगा कि जिसके पास वैल्यू होता है वो एलोकेटेड सेल है, जिसके पास वैल्यू नहीं होता वो है एम्प्टी सेल। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द सम। तो पहला हम अपने सम में वी विल चेक आउट कि which are the allocated cell. So as you can see over here, we got the allocated cell which is marked with a red color marker. So these are the allocated cell. So now first we will calculate U. So we will make a column U. In U we have U1, U2 and U3. And in V we have V1, V2, V3 and V4. Okay, so to find out U and V, we will first start with U1 and U1 you will always take as 0. आपको समय पहला U1 को 0 ही लेना है, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. Now U1 is 0, so you have to see in U1 के लाइन में allocated value is this one 2. So you need to minus this 2 minus 0. So this will be 2 minus 0 is 2. So the main concept over here is आपको क्या करना है, U और V के लाइन में cost allocated value देखना है. अगर U प्रेजेंट हो तो U से माइनस करो, अगर V प्रेजेंट हो तो V से माइनस करो, और माइनस करके जो आंसर आ रहा है either U में लिख दो या V में लिख दो. So let us see. Now if we again go over here, we got the allocated value. The cost is 8 over here. So 8 का U is 0. 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0 will be 8. Next, in U2 we will see the allocated cell is 4. अब 4 के पास ना तो U का वैल्यू है और ना ही उसके पास V का वैल्यू है. So we don't have anything to subtract. So we will move forward. So we will see here, यहाँ पर 10 है, 10 के पास U का वैल्यू नहीं है, but 10 के पास जो है V का वैल्यू है, that is 8. So 10 minus 8, that will become 2, और ये आप लिख दोगे अपने U में. ठीक है? Next, अब आप ये वैल्यू पे आ जाओगे 4 के पास. अब 4 के पास U आ चुका है, so just subtract 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will be 2. And next we will move forward. In U3 we got 7, and now 7 का V का वैल्यू है 8. So 7 minus 8 is minus 1. So 7 minus 8 is minus 1. And the last one we got 2 over here. Here we got minus 1. So basically the formula is to minus. So 2 minus of minus 1. Minus minus will make it plus. So 2 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So 2 plus 1 we will write as 3. That complete the allocated cell equation, cost equal to U plus V. Now we'll move forward to empty cell. The formula for empty cell is, my friend, delta is equals to cost minus U plus V. The most simpler method to do this is to make a column where you will write all the empty cell number. So let us see the empty cell number. We got the empty cell number. This one 7. उसका नाम है F1W1. So we will write over here F1W1. Which is the next cell? We can see F1W3. The next cell is F2W1. Next one is F2W4. Next is F3W3. And the last one is F3W4. Now what you will do, you just put an equal to sign over here. The formula says is cost. So first आप जितने भी इसके cost है वो लिखोगे. Starting with here, we got the cost as 7. What is the next cost over here is 5, and the next one is again 5. So we will write 5 and 5. Next one is 9, 6, 9. So we will write 9, 6, 9. अब फॉर्मूले में आप देख सकते हैं कॉस्ट के बाद क्या साइन है, माइनस. We'll put a minus sign over here. Minus, 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 minus. And then we'll put a bracket over here. Just like this. We'll put a bracket. you have to go to each and every empty cell और उनका u और v का वैल्यू चेक करना है और दोनों को ऐड करना है. Remember, you need to add the value of u plus v. Let us see. If you go to 7, the u का value over here is 0 and the v का value is 3. So 0 plus 3 will make it 3. Now go to 5. The 5 is this one. U का value is 0 and v का value is 2. So 0 plus 2 will make it 2. Then the next part is this one. So what is the u ka value? 2. And what is the v ka value? 3. So 2 plus 3 will make it 5. Next one, F2W4. F2W4. Here the u ka value is 2 and the v ka value is also 2. So 2 plus 2 will make it 4. F3W3 is this one. And now we got minus 1. Anyhow you need to do plus. So minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, my friend, is 2 minus 1. That will be 1. And the last one is minus 1 and plus 2. Again it will be 2 minus 1. That will be 1. Now we will calculate the values. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 1, 8. And that was for the empty cell. Now, as you can focus on this, the third question was, is the solution unique? If the value of delta is 0, any of the value of delta is 0, then the solution is unique. So you can see the values over here. We got 4, 3 and we got 0 over here. So 0 आ गया तो मतलब the solution is unique. So we will write in the final answer as delta, we can say F2W1 equals to 0. Therefore the solution is unique. And then we will find out the cost of transportation. As I have shown you in the earlier lecture before, you just need to multiply 8 into 1, the allocated values, 8 into 1 plus what is the next allocated? 2 into 13 plus 10 into 8 plus 4 into 12 plus 2 into 15 and last one is 7 into 1. And if you multiply this and you will get the answer is again rupees 199. So after multiplying this you are getting the answer rupees 199. So we will write optimal cost. Remember, in Modi method you will always write optimal cost is rupees 199. And as you know, we need to highlight our answer. So this will be optimal cost 199 and put inside a bracket. That is the answer for you, and that marks the end of the Modi method. Thank you everyone.